Start tape. All right, this is Mr. Go, third period. Here's my frog. He's kind of fat. So there he is, okay? You might have to spend the time to open his mouth. So when you open his mouth, you're gonna have to cut the tongue out, right? So if you want, you can actually do that first. Okay, so there's his tongue. Look, everybody look. Look, so this is the tongue.
Can you remove it?
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut it out. Remember, that's one of the items you need to cut out. So there it is. All right. So again, scissors is best. Okay, using the scalpel, it's kind of dangerous. Okay.
That's so cool.
So there it is.
You changed your mind now? No, I just don't want to touch it. That thing was slimy.
Yeah, you don't want to touch. You don't want to touch it. You're wearing gloves though. There's the tongue right there. So there. Notice it has like, it kind of has like two, like kind of prongs to it. Okay. All right. Now, when you cut this open, it's best to cut right here, all along like the shoulder blade, all the way down here to where the hips are. Okay, and then cut like right here where the hips are and so forth. They already have this punctured for you, so it's kind of nice. I don't know. I thought it was going to be a little more difficult than that. But, oh man, these scissors suck.
Why don't you actually cut something in time?
Well, that's try not to plan for that. All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to use the good scissors. Okay. So there we go. Okay, cut along the skin.
I heard people eat them. Yeah. They're like,
Okay.
I've heard it tastes like chicken.
So cut along the skin. Okay, all the way to the crotch. There you go. Now note, there's the muscle right there. Okay, you guys see that? So in order to keep this open, you have to cut the skin all the way down the arm, like that, and then right here, cut along this. Cut along this. You guys see that? Cut along the leg, and then you're gonna have to peel it back. What'd you say to me? You don't need to pin it down if you cut it enough. Okay, so one more time. I'm not going to give you pins, so you have to just make sure that you cut it enough so then it actually opens up. Okay, like that.
Oh, it looks so cheap.
Good? Next. This side, cut this side all the way down. You need to cut the leg muscle out anyway. Okay? Okay, so there you go. It's just like you're breaking down a chicken. All right, now you're gonna need to cut. Okay. Oh! Yes. Did the video get that one?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, now the best way to do this. Shh. Listen. The best way to do this is to cut the muscle right here. Okay. Cut the muscle right there. Okay. All the way down.
Oh, this looks so bad.
Now hold on. See, I already cut the liver.
Oh, great. Good one.
I thought that was gonna. I thought it was gonna look worse. It didn't look that good.
I already cut the liver, so it's kind of bad, but whatever. So you can make him drain, right? Try to get the liquid out.
Yo, why is he so stiff?
You know what? Actually, can you just do all of it?
All right, and you have to kind of peel it open. Okay, so now cut the same part right here. Cut all the way to the side. Now you're gonna notice that some of this is gonna stick because it has that skin that protects the digestive system called the mesentery. So it holds everything down. So you have to just cut. Don't be afraid to cut. All right.
Don't disrespect my dad.
It's just like taking off his shirt.
Right here. I was hungry.
Well, you won't be after this.
Cut off his arm?
No, I'm just cutting the skin. Look, see? Again, one more time. You might have to cut the skin all the way past the shoulder.
Yeah, but enough. You can take the stuff out.
All right, now it's open. Now he's open. All right, so. All right. What's the first thing?
Is that the liver?
This is the liver right here. See this? So I'm going to cut that out. I kind of cut it with my scissors already, so that's unfortunate, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the liver out. Okay. So hold on. There he is. So this is the liver. See this right here? That's attached to it? That's the gallbladder. You see how it's green? That's the bile. Okay? So you might want to save this. So when you're cutting the liver out, oh shoot, I just opened up the gallbladder.
That looks like a flat mushroom.
Okay? So there's the gallbladder right there, and it has all the green stuff in there. You'll note if it's green, then that's the gallbladder. Okay, so liver, gallbladder underneath that. The gallbladder was actually attached to the stomach as well. So look, I've actually split the stomach already, so that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the stomach out. Actually, I'm going to cut all the way to the back. Okay, so then I can get the esophagus. Okay, so stomach. And then this is part of the esophagus right there. I know it was kind of, the esophagus kind of shrank a little bit. Now, all right. So here's, again, if you, listen, look, if you want, you can actually have the virtual dissection on the side with a Chromebook so people can kind of walk you through what you need to cut out. So see right here, this is the small intestine. See this? Okay, that's a small intestine. See these? What are these right here? That's the fat bodies. So the fat bodies are attached to the what? Okay, so they're actually attached to the kidneys back here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get rid of the fat bodies now, so then they're kind of out of the way. Okay, so fat body right there. Okay, that's one. Actually, that might be all of it. Oh wait, no, there's a bunch. There's some over on this side too. Okay, so here's the, see this like little kind of skin right there? That's the mesentery, right? This is the large intestine right there that leads to the cloaca. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut the small intestine. Okay, so this is the small intestine right here. Okay, and you can kind of see, here's the tube that goes down all the way to the large intestine right there. So this small intestine, okay, large, focus.
Where are the bones at? What about the simulation?
All right, here we go. Look, I'm going to cut this, okay, off the, so fat bodies. So, kidneys are those right there in the back. This is the large intestine right there. The lungs, see, I didn't cut far enough. Okay, so lungs right there, heart right there. I think the esophagus is behind all of that, right? So you kind of need to go back there to try to get it. Okay, so here you go. Large intestine.
I'm just cutting it open.
Okay, large intestine right there. You can kind of see there's the food that it ate last. Okay.
Is that a fly?
So, see these right here? Oh wait, I think these are the ovaries. I'm sorry. These are the ovaries that are in pink. These little things, those are the kidneys right there. You see the kidneys? Okay, so try not to lose those in the small intestine. Okay, try not to lose them. So here, let me cut out the heart. So the heart is going to be, it looks like the heart was closer to the mouth than I thought. So here's the heart. Let me cut that out. Okay, there's the heart. The lungs are over here. So this is the lung right here. That's the right lung. This is the left lung. So you would cut those guys out. Here, I'll show you guys now. I'll cut those out. 1, 2. Okay, get that out. There we go. So that's it. I think, what else did we have? So I think I got most of it out. Fat bodies. Oh, kidneys. Don't I need to pull those out? And then the leg muscles. So look, here's, if you cut the skin off, Okay, if you cut the skin nice and wide open like that,
His quads are jacked.
look at this right here. That's the leg muscle. So what you need to do is you need to separate the leg muscle,
I
okay,
want those quads.
from the, right? This guy didn't skip leg day.
Bro, this
So
guy-
you need to get, whoa, don't get on me. So you kind of need to cut along the bone right here. Okay, cut along the bone, cut right there. You don't have to cut the whole leg muscle out. You just have to try to get as much of the leg muscle out. Okay, so like cut right here where the hip, it's attached to the hip. Okay, so try to get that. There you go. I think I cut the bone too, so that's good. Okay. There we go.
Collecting bone is cool. I don't have any.
There we go. So there's the leg muscle right there. You see how big that is? It's one of the largest like muscles, right? In the body. Okay. I think that's it. Can someone click on, hold on 1 second. Just click on Chrome really quick to see. Click on Chrome on the bottom tab, on the taskbar. Yeah. Let's just make sure that we've got everything. Go to the sheet, the laminate. Yeah. So what did we get? We got the liver, the heart, the lungs, the gallbladder, esophagus. Oh, esophagus. It's this part right here. Okay. Esophagus. I think it's actually all. We have to kind of get underneath the heart, right? So there's the esophagus actually right there. Okay. There's the esophagus right there. So you have to get it. Go back to the thing. Go back to the tab. Small intestine, large intestine, tongue, kidneys. Oh, I didn't take the kidneys out, but you have to take those guys out. What else? Fat bodies, leg muscle. Okay, good. So I got all of them. All right, good. So that's your dissection that you need to do. I did it pretty quickly. I kind of jacked up like the liver. I kind of cut it open and all that stuff. So you kind of just need to not be afraid of actually like just getting into there and actually getting all of the parts out. Okay, now if you've laid out the parts on the sheet, on the laminate, all you need to do is just let me know, Mr. Go, we've got all the parts, and then I'll be like, okay, cool. All right, I'll try to get you guys some better scissors too. Yeah, because these dissection scissors are really not that great. So yeah, go ahead and click stop.